my dear sweeties. Good morning. Welcome back to our English world. Are you happy today? Yes. Nice. Good. Okay, my sweeties. Which day is today? Is it Sunday or Monday? Is it Sunday or Monday? Yes, you are right. Monday. Today is Monday. Which month is going? Can you say? Which month is going? Yes, June. Today's date is 28th June 2021. Is it correct? Today's date is 28th June 2021. Is it correct? Yes. In a year, 12 months. What are they? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, my sweeties. Let me ask a question. How many days in a week? How many days in a week? You know the answer. Yes, very good. 7 days. Well, everyone said. Good children. 7 days in a week. Then, name the days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Did you see this picture? Who do you see in this picture? Can you say? Who do you see in this picture? Yes, a girl and a puppy. A girl and a puppy. Girl name is Minu. In this picture, a girl and a puppy is there. In this picture, a girl and a puppy is here. The girl name is Minu. Is it our Bruno? Is it our Bruno? This puppy is our Bruno? No. That's the girl's puppy. I think they are good friends. The girl and the puppy are good friends. Like our Sachin and Bruno. Sachin and Bruno are good friends, isn't it? Yes, like this girl and the puppy are good friends. Today, the girl and the puppy are making their weekly plans together. Today, the girl and the puppy are making their weekly plans together. Weekly plans. They sing a song about the weekly plan. They sing a song about the weekly plan. Let's hear it. Okay. Sunday is the fun day. Monday is the dancing day. Tuesday is the coloring day. Wednesday is gardening day. Thursday is reading day. Friday is cleaning day. Saturday is planning day. All these days are happy days. Sunday is the fun day. Monday is the dancing day. Tuesday is the coloring day. Wednesday is the gardening day. Thursday is reading day. Friday is cleaning day. Saturday is planning day. All these days are happy days. Everyone likes the song? Good. Like this, you will make a weekly plan and sing it. Okay. Like this, you will make a weekly plan and sing it. Sunday is the fun day. Sunday is the fun day. What about the next day? Yes, Monday. On Monday is their dancing day. Monday is their dancing day. After Monday, which day? Tuesday. Tuesday is their coloring day. Tuesday is the coloring day. They draw a new picture and then colored it. Then Wednesday is gardening day. Wednesday is gardening day. Do you water the plant every day? Okay, good. Every day you watered the plant. Okay. Wednesday is our gardening day. Thursday is reading day. Thursday is reading day. On Thursday, you are going to read a new book. On Thursday, you are going to read a new book. Good. Friday is cleaning day. Special cleaning day. Friday is special cleaning day. Saturday is planning day. We are going to plan for next week. On Saturday, we are going to plan for next week. All these days are happy days. Okay, my darlings. Are you forgot Bruno and Sachin? മറന്നുപോയോ ബ്രൂണോനെയും സച്ചിനെയും? Who is Sachin? Sachin is a boy. Who is Bruno? Bruno is Sachin's puppy. They are good friends. They are playing together. One day, Bruno ran out of the home. Sachin and his father came to the street to find Bruno. One day, Bruno ran out of the home. Bruno ran out of the home. Sachin and his father came to the street to find Bruno. At the street, a woman said Bruno went to the park. At the street, Sachin and his father met a woman. She said Bruno went to the park. Now, Sachin and father at the park. Sachin liked the park. Sachin liked the park. A big park. Many trees and flowers are there. In the park, many trees and flowers are there. There are many slides and swings. There are many slides and swings. There are benches to sit. Children are playing in the park. Who is playing in the park? Who were playing in the park? Children are playing in the park. Bruno ran around the park. Bruno ran around the park. Bruno is playing in the park. Children, will Sachin find Bruno? Will Sachin find Bruno? No. Then who is shouted to Bruno? Who is shouted to Bruno? In the park, many girls and boys are there. In this park, many girls and boys are there. A boy who played in the park shouted to Bruno. We don't know the name of the boy. A boy who played in the park shouted to Bruno, "Go away, go away." A boy who played in the park shouted to Bruno, "Go away." Bruno ran off. Okay, my dears, take your textbook, page number 12. Everyone is ready? Okay. Listen here. What do you see in this picture? What do you see in this picture? Two boys and one man. Is it right? Two boys and one man. Yes. How many boys are there? Two. And a man. Isn't it? Yes. Our Sachin and his father met a boy in the park. Our Sachin and his father met a boy in the park. Let's read what happened next. Listen here. Sachin and his father couldn't find Bruno anywhere. Did you see a puppy? Sachin asked a boy. Is it a white puppy with black spot? The boy asked. Yes. Which way did it go? That way. To the right, said the boy, pointing to a shop. Once again, I read the passage. Sachin and his father couldn't find Bruno anywhere. They didn't find Bruno. Bruno ran out of the park. Then Sachin asked a boy, Did you see a puppy? Did you see a puppy? Then the boy replied, Is it a white puppy with black spot? Is it a white puppy with black spots? Yes. Which way did it go? Which way did it go? Way means vazhi. Which way did it go? That way. To the right. That way to the right, said the boy, pointing to a shop. There is a shop in that way to the right, said the boy, pointing to a shop. That way the puppy went. Bruno ran out of the park. Children, who did Sachin and his father meet? They met a boy. Sachin and his father met a boy. What did they ask? They asked about their puppy Bruno. Where is Bruno now? Now Bruno ran out of the park. The boy said that the puppy ran out. Okay, my dears, your today's activity, textbook activity 4. Look at the picture, write a sentence, each about the pictures. One set is done for you. First one, there is a carrot on the plate. There is a carrot on the plate. Second one, there are some carrots in the basket. In second picture, more than one carrots are there. Isn't it? Yes. In first picture, only one carrot. In second picture, 2 or 3 carrots. First one, there is a carrot on the plate. Second one, there are some carrots in the basket. Like this. Third picture, there is a boy on the swing. There is a boy on the swing. In fourth picture, 2 boys are there. Isn't it? They are playing on the seesaw. How will you write? There are 2 boys on the seesaw. Like this, complete this activity. Okay. Okay, my dears. Write the activities. Today's English class is over. See you later. Thank you.